Good day to you. It's Wealthy Wednesday. I want to tell you a story about Jasper. Jasper is the neighbour's cat who we have the privilege of looking after at the moment. He's a big bruiser of a cat. He's the kind of cat that could get what he wants. He's a lovely male super cat. Anyway, super cat, when we feed him, is millimetres away from vast wealth. By his bowl, there's a whole box of Sheba, duck, lamb, chicken, all these wonderful flavours in rich gravy and lovely biscuit that he loves. Great wealth that he can't get because he hasn't got these. Or perhaps the understanding up here as well. And I want to say to you on Wealthy Wednesday, you are millimetres away from great wealth. But until you learn the tools that enable you to manipulate the packets to get that wealth and have the insight in how to do it, you're never going to be able to leverage YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all these amazing ways to get great wealth. So I'm going to ask you to stay connected with me and really get engaged with the posts we talk about how to do your own videos, how to use social media, so that that vast global wealth that's out there can be yours. Thanks for tuning in. Let me encourage you that wealth that's millimetres away is easier to get to than you might think. You need to understand 4 things, which we're going to cover in the blog, not the vlog, the blog. You need to understand having a clear product that people can see in great packaging. So when I was feeding Jasper, the Sheba pouches in rich gravy were in very clearly labelled packaging for the product. Then you need to have the tools to manipulate things like TubeBuddy to get you the right tags, etc., to make sure that your YouTube videos, for example, are optimized for people to find. If they can't find you, they can't buy from you, you can't get that wealth. The wealth is the people out there. And finally, like Jasper, you need to learn how to collaborate with other people. Jasper was going to go hungry if we didn't feed him while his parents were away. So through collaboration, he inherited his promise. Through collaboration with me and other YouTube creators, LinkedIn creators, Instagram creators, Facebook creators, you're getting the theme now, Twitter. That's how collectively, collaboratively, in a coordinated manner, we access the wealth.
For a bit of fun and to illustrate my point, I've taken a few of my own products and put them in packaging as if they were physical products. First up, we've got the summer special on talent dynamics, your profile and your debrief. So what, you might say? And that's a good question. So what? The so what is that if you haven't yet discovered your entrepreneurial style, you're not in flow. And if you're not in flow, you're not going to be a happy bunny. You're going to be a busy person in business, but not a productive person in business. So our first summer special is like pouring a good brew. Pouring that cuppa so that you can find your flow, like pouring that brew. Discover your entrepreneurial style, discover what you were meant to do, build your flow team and feel amazing. And over the summer, that's just £100 for the profile and the debrief. Then next up, in collaboration with someone else, with my friend Steve, we're going to offer you the fuel package. So here's like a soap dispenser here with motivational mapping. You do your motivational map profile to find the 3 motivations that drive your flow the most, will increase your flow. And Steve's going to do that just over the summer for £100 as well, and plus a bit of VAT. Then my final mock-up before we go to Siska to talk about one of my special one-to-one engagements is I really do know a lot about LinkedIn now and about YouTube. So whether it's LinkedIn or YouTube, over the summer we can boost your LinkedIn profile or get you going on YouTube really at world class, standing shoulder to shoulder, head to head with the best in the field. And again, just to make that simple, that's going to be a £100 engagement, so you know where you are for getting your profile to world class or your first engagement with YouTube. And I'm going to close by cutting to Siska now, who experienced my favourite program. It's a kind of walking coaching. And what I do is I take people through how to articulate their thoughts when put under pressure on the spot, so that whatever the situation, they can communicate clearly, concisely, and in a compelling manner. And to do that, we walk around places like Kingston Lacey. So you have that freedom of walking and talking while you learn one of the most powerful communication models you could ever embrace into your daily habits. I'll close with Siska's opinion of how it was for her.
It's a great privilege to work with you, Lex. And I've learned so much today, and what I've learned, what I needed to be reminded of by Lex is what I really desire in my brand, and I'd a little bit forgotten about that. And I got my passion back for stepping into that place and embodying that and being excited about it and having fun with it. So I thank you very much, Lex.